zucchini pasta to beet salad to apple chips, creating uniform spirals with this spiralizer is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The OXO 3-blade handheld spiralizer makes creating 3 different sizes of noodles a snap. The spiralizer features 3 stainless steel color-coded blades with an open blade design: green for 1/8 inch spaghetti curls, orange for 1/4 inch fettuccine spirals, and red for long ribbons. It also has a non-slip grip for comfort and a food holder to protect hands when not in use that doubles as a cover for safe storage. To begin, twist to remove all blades and food holder from the spiralizer. Select the blade you wish to use and twist to secure onto the non-slip body. The spiralizer will not work correctly with more than one blade attached. Cut the ends of the fruit or vegetables so they're flat and even, and place the flat end against the blade. Apply pressure while twisting the vegetable clockwise to get long, uniform spirals. Spiralizing works best when the produce is straight and at least 1.5 inches in diameter. If the produce is longer than 6 inches, just cut it in half. If it isn't naturally straight, cut it into straight sections. When you start to reach the end of the fruit or vegetable, use the food holder for safety to keep your fingers away from the sharp blade. A few twists later, and you have delicious and healthy noodles or ribbons that you can dress up however you'd like. The spiralizer comes apart for cleaning, it's dishwasher safe, and locks together for storage. Here's a good tip. After using the ribbon blade, use an OXO paring knife to cut through the stack. It makes for great chips.
Hi, it's Becca, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the Oster electric spiralizer. The Oster spiralizer creates long ribbon-like spirals from different kinds of vegetables, including zucchini, cucumber, sweet potato, squash, and many more. I'll show you how to make spaghetti-like zucchini spirals. First, take the cone holder and place it into the base using the thin blade. You may have to turn it a little bit until it falls into place, and be very careful as the blades are really sharp. After washing the zucchini, trim the ends and cut the zucchini in half. Whatever vegetable you feed through the chute should be about 1.5 to 2 inches in diameter and no more than 5 inches long. Make sure the pusher is secure by applying pressure to the vegetable. Turn the spiralizer on. And ta-da! Zucchini spirals. Now we'll make cucumber spirals. Remove the thin blade and replace it with the thick blade. Again, be very careful as the blades are really sharp. We'll do the same with the cucumber as we did with the zucchini. Insert the vegetable into the chute and make sure the pusher is secure by applying pressure to the vegetable. Turn the spiralizer on. And here you have wonderful cucumber spirals.